Do you know the most consumable party beverage in America is beer? Yes, it's true. Let's see the complete process of its manufacture. Every great beer begins with carefully harvested barley, gathered at the peak of maturity for consistent brewing quality.
The moisture content is holding steady right here. All right, looks full. Go ahead and signal the driver.
In beer, fresh hops contribute the distinctive aroma and balanced bitterness that define every beer recipe. Only carefully selected hop cones continue their journey to preserve consistent brewing performance. Now, pure brewing water is carefully treated to ensure every batch begins with a stable foundation. Before brewing begins, every essential ingredient is organized and prepared for precise handling. With every ingredient collected, the journey now shifts from the fields to the heart of the brewery.
Convoy lead to all units. We're approaching the main gate now. Looks like they're opening up for us.
Documents are good, sir. Head on through.
All right, bring her back easy. Watch your clearance on the right.
Now, barley is verified to ensure complete traceability before entering the production
All
plant.
right, pull forward to the grain pit.
Proper temperature control preserves the delicate aroma compounds that give beer its distinctive character. Automated handling systems move every grain efficiently while protecting its brewing quality. Carefully monitored storage keeps brewing ingredients fresh until production begins.
Pallet is secured at the milling station. Copy that.
Activating grain feed sequence now.
With logistics complete, the brewery is ready to begin transforming raw barley into the foundation of every beer. Behind these walls, thousands of carefully engineered systems work together to produce beer with remarkable consistency. Every kernel is transported through enclosed systems to protect both product quality and workplace safety. Continuous quality verification ensures only approved barley enters the brewing process. Controlled feeding prepares every batch for uniform milling before brewing begins. Precise milling exposes the grain's starch while protecting the husk needed for efficient brewing. Everything is now in place as the first ingredients come together to begin the science of brewing beer. Gentle mixing distributes heat evenly, allowing natural enzymes to begin converting
Looks like
starch
we hit the rest
into sugar.
temperature right on schedule.
Acknowledged. Maintaining circulation.
Here is the sample for the 5-2 tank.
Thank you. Readings match the specifications. Activating the transfer sequence now.
Once preparation is complete, the mash moves toward separation, where liquid wort will soon be extracted.
Uniform distribution prepares the grain bed for efficient wort separation. With preparation complete, the brewery is ready to separate the sweet wort that forms the heart of every beer. Now, collected wort now moves into the brew kettle for the next critical transformation. Now, hops is added to provide the bitterness, aroma, and balance that give beer its distinctive character. The brewing stage is complete, and fermentation is about to transform sweet wort into beer. Oxygen supports healthy yeast growth before fermentation naturally takes over. During fermentation, yeast transforms sweet wort into young beer while creating its natural carbonation.
Fermentation stage approved. We can proceed to conditioning.
Once fermentation is complete, excess yeast is separated while the young beer continues its journey. Now, cold conditioning refines flavor, improves clarity, and stabilizes the beer before final processing. Controlled carbonation gives the beer its refreshing texture and lively character. The beer has completed its natural transformation, and now moves into automated finishing systems that prepare it for packaging. Now, automated filtration refines the beer while preserving its flavor, aroma, and brilliant clarity. Now, bright beer tanks hold the finished beer under carefully controlled conditions until packaging begins. Advanced automation coordinates thousands of process variables to maintain consistent beer production. Automated sanitation keeps every production line ready for hygienic beer packaging. Packaging materials enter the production line through synchronized automated handling systems.
Check the alignment on line 3. Stats look good, but I'm seeing a slight backup near the carousel.
The brewery's automated systems have prepared every bottle and can for the final stage of production. Now, every container is thoroughly prepared to ensure the beer enters a perfectly clean package. Controlled pasteurization helps maintain product stability while protecting the beer's quality. Every label is precisely positioned to ensure a professional finish and complete traceability. Unique identification codes allow every package to be traced throughout its entire journey. Automated packaging transforms individual containers into retail-ready multi-packs with exceptional efficiency. The beer is now fully packaged and ready for the final inspections that guarantee consistent quality. Routine sampling confirms that every production batch continues to meet brewery specifications. Scientific testing ensures every batch delivers the flavor, balance, and consistency expected by consumers. Every packed retail package is inspected before entering the final stage of brewery operations. Robotic palletizing prepares finished beer for safe transport through the distribution network. Only after every inspection is successfully completed can the finished beer be released for distribution. And this is how modern factories produce beer from beginning to end. Subscribe for more amazing videos.